Hello friends, welcome to Java training session 58. This is Haradhan once again as usual. Today in this session, I will brief how we can convert character to string data type in Java. Thank you all for watching my videos. In case you are enjoying my videos and learning automation testing and Java, please like and share my videos. Do not forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so that you will get notification as and when I will upload any new videos. Please provide your valuable comment for any input or suggestion. Stay tuned for my next videos. So, what does it mean by strings? Strings are defined as an array of character, right? So, an array of character will forms as a strings, and character can be converted to a string and vice versa. There are multiple ways to convert a character to string in Java. Character is 16-bit or 2 bytes unassigned data type. Okay. So primarily there are three main way is there to convert a character to string. First one is using the toString method available in Java. Second one is using value of method, and third one is using the new keyword. Okay. So I will show one by one how we can convert right the character to string. So here I have created a class Java session 58 in the package Java training and the project Java training project, right? So you know how can we need to define a character, right? So we need to define the variable type, okay, so data type, and then variable name, okay. Suppose ch equal to, if it's one digit, we can suppose give any digit, right? And then you need to close with semicolon. So that is the syntax for defining an character. The character is the data type, and this is the variable, and this is the right character you are defining in the particular variable. Then you need to use that string data type, right? You need to declare some variable string where you are converting right the character to string. So the first method is you need to use that toString method. Okay, so character dot toString, right? And here the particular character variable is coming. Okay, then if you want to print it, whatever character already moved converted to the string variables, right, it can be printed out. Now if you run it and let's see whether it's giving the output as a. Now if you change it, suppose say C, it will also give you the result, right? It will give you the result as C in small lowercase, right? So that is the one important method available in the Java toString method. Okay, now another method is available is string dot value of, right? So here first you need to define a string, sorry, character variables with the data type as characters. Suppose I am defining a variable, suppose say D, right? Then here you need to define the data type for string and the variable is string str. Then here we need to use convert it using the value of method, right? So that here it will be string dot value of. If you press string and dot, right, value of will be coming, right? Value of character, right? You need to use the character variables, right? The same way you can print it out. You need to close with semicolon, right? Now if you run the code, you can see your D value is coming, right? Suppose in case I am changing it to small case, suppose Z, it will also give you that particular right output, right? So here with the two methods available in Java, one is toString method which is available in the character dot toString, and another is string dot value of, right, where we can convert any character variable to string variable and we can do any operation whatever you want to do it, right? Then next one is using the new keyword, right? So here whenever you want to use the new keyword, maybe we need to, suppose in case I want to define multiples, right, multiples characters. Suppose I am defining the variable name is character. How you can define multiple character in this character variables? So you need to give double bracket, right? Then comma, suppose I want to give Java, right? So within first inverted comma we need to give and comma, then suppose ja, and then again comma, another word is v and another word is suppose a, right? Single inverted comma you need to use, and second bracket you need to use it, you need to close with semicolon. So that is the syntax. Okay, whenever, okay, with that particular I will remove these two second bracket. Okay, so the data type will be character and your variable name need to give, and here you say, right, third bracket you need to give it, and whatever character if you want to define, right, you need to give within the second bracket and comma separated, right, and single inverted comma and comma separated. Now if you want to convert it to a string, then you need to use this new, create new string instance, suppose str equal to new keyword and then string, and where I will be passing the variable for character, that is the syntax. So whenever we want to create an instance for any object, right, so we need to use the new keywords, right? So that is the syntax. Object name, variable name, new, and then object again. Okay. Now if you want to print it out, str, you can see it will be scrubbed and it will give you the result as Java, right? Now if you want to again add some more word, suppose Java test, I want to add more word. Okay, now I am not changing anything. If you want to run it, you can see it will be coming as Java test, right? So these are the main three way, right, through which we can convert a character to string variable, right? So first one is we need to use this toString method, then we can use another method approach is like value of method you can use, and another one is we can create a new object or instance, right, for the string, and while passing the variable reference for character, and then we can do any operations whatever we want to do after converting characters, single character or sequence of character to string variables. Okay, so that's all for today's session. Thank you.